fact, there was a research done by Harvard which says that the graduates are many in India, but the employable graduates are only a handful. Just 2 to 3% of the entire set of graduates who come out of our colleges every year. 2 to 3%. Guys, just go and take professional help. Don't keep on waiting for the help to come to you. You have to go. Just go. I mean, you want help from me? Just drop me a message.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Chat Trap Show with Vikram Singh Rawal. Welcome all to Dillistan. बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आप सबका, and I look forward to this wonderful another session of the Chat Trap Show with another special guest. As always, मैं जानता हूँ और आप भी जानते हैं कि हर सैटरडे को हम एक बहुत स्पेशल गेस्ट के साथ आते हैं. So as always, मैं आपको फिर से बताने वाला हूँ कि एक बहुत स्पेशल गेस्ट है. जी हाँ, एवरीबडी इज स्पेशल, बट हमारे शो पे आने वाले लोग थोड़े से ज्यादा स्पेशल होते हैं. ऐसे ही एक गेस्ट है हमारे साथ आज, जिनका नाम है डॉक्टर पुष्प लामो. Now he is India's only ICF certified happiness coach. He has headed a lot of placement cells in multiple colleges. Also, I know him as a great communication expert. And currently, he is a happiness coach to young adults, specializing in mental health and job readiness. Now, we're going to be talking about a lot of secrets, a lot of tips, a lot of things which are very important related to job hunters and young professionals. जी हाँ, आइए उनको वेलकम करते हैं और बहुत सारी अच्छी अच्छी बातें करते हैं. Let's welcome Dr. Pushp Lamva today. Hello, sir. Welcome to the show.
Thank you, Vikram. Thank you so much. Thank you for having me.
How are you doing, sir? It's a pleasure, sir. It's an honor. Thank you for taking out time and coming to the show. It's an honor.
Thank you so much for having me here, Vikram. It was awesome.
Yes, sir. So, sir, सबसे पहले because you have so much of experience in coming across so many young professionals and a lot of professionals and job hunters as well, and people who are joining new companies. You've been guiding them, sort of telling them the right path towards career development. So the first question which I really wanted to ask you is, what are the things a young new job hunter should keep in mind? And
Okay, so let me put it this way.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of people are depressed today because of the lockdowns and the things that are happening across the world and in their lives categorically. But let me be a devil's advocate by stating that once this is over, once we get the vaccine and everybody is so much awaiting that and this is all over, it's going to get worse. How you ask?
Okay.
Students who have passed out in 2020 would not have gotten their jobs because the market is closed. And by the time this all comes and the market opens up, it's going to be 2021, passing out year of the batch of 2021. And during this stage, students of the batch of 2019 who have had 1 year of experience would have been the first people to be laid off because of this crisis. So in 2021, we will not have just one batch competing for the limited number of jobs. We'll have 3 batches competing for the same number of jobs that only one batch competes for in a regular year. So that is why I'm saying it's going to be a mindset game. You have to be ready for this challenge. Now, you can always ask me a question as to what can I do to be ready. So the second tip for a young job hunter is be proactive. Don't be reactive. So if you are reacting to the markets, if you're reacting to how the demand is going to be in the market, you are not going to go anywhere. You're not going to reach anywhere. It is this time that you have to invest in getting yourself job ready, so that when the time comes, when the markets open up, when there are opportunities, you are in the fighting, you are in the competition. And until and unless you do that, I'm sorry, but you would not win. You will not get what you're wanting for. So use this time. So look at the silver lining, guys. This is something that you all have to focus on. There's a black cloud on us right now, on all of us. We just need to look at the silver lining. And the silver lining in this case is that we have time to focus on becoming job ready. And
Yeah.
actually, that's the reason I've started with these monthly job readiness workshops. So it's a certificate program that I'm offering under the banner of, there is a brand called Happy Within that I have made. I'm the founder of that brand. So we are
Wow.
making
Okay.
students job ready in this space by being proactive. Why be reactive?
Yeah.
So that is my tip to all the job hunters in today's time, to have in your the entire persona two things: mindset, a positive mindset, and the second is
Mhm.
being proactive.
Okay. So, considering that you have started with a very interesting point, that yes, during today's time, uh, because there are job hunters who are very depressed, they have some insecurities in their minds. What if we know a job hunter or a young professional who has 1 year experience, apart from keeping a positive mindset, as a tip you give, or being job ready, what exactly, how would you define these two things? Because people say that, okay, telling me that I should be positive and I should be job ready, these are two terms which have been kept in front of me. But how would you go down deep and define these two things, uh, for a layman to understand these two things? Yeah.
So when I say have a positive mindset
Okay.
and be proactive, these are very,
Mm-hmm.
very interlinked things, because once you're proactive and you
Mm-hmm.
take measures, which I'm going to talk about in a minute from now, you
Sure.
take those actions, you automatically will come in a state of mind which is going to be positive, because you're mentally ready for the challenge that is coming up to you.
Okay.
And why I keep on saying that it's all a mindset game, because mm, like for example, when economies are hit with recession, what is recession? Where does the money
Yeah.
go? When an
Mm.
economy is hit with recession, we say there is no money in the economy. So we are
Yeah.
not burned down the money. हमने रुपए को आग नहीं लगाई है जाके बीच पे, या डॉलर को आग नहीं लगाई है. It is all a game of mindset. It is just that it's a ripple effect that causes all the job scarcity in the market.
Mm.
And it's the same case that we are in right now. You need to understand that there are jobs. ऐसा नहीं है
Okay.
जॉब्स खत्म हो गए हैं या खत्म हो जाएंगे. Organizations, companies will keep on hiring, people will keep on moving, people will keep on quitting. There is always going to be space. However, the only distinction is that the space is going to be for those who severely deserve that spot. And now I
Yeah.
come to, what do I mean by being job ready?
Yes.
Every job has got two components: hard skills and soft skills. So
Okay.
hard skills is your academic knowledge. So let's say, for example,
Mhm.
you are a law graduate, someone
Okay.
who's been working in the market for a year under, let's say, an advocate or a law firm. So one set is कि आपको laws आते हैं, constitution, civil procedure, criminal, or whatever your specialization is, or whatever your teams you are working in under. सो ये तो आपको आना जरूरी है. इसके लिए आपने 3 से 5 साल पढ़ाई करी है, एंड दैट्स द हार्ड स्किल. But this is only 40% of the game one. In fact, many people who have done research say that this matters only 8 to 10%. So I'll not say 8 to 10%. In my personal experience, I'll say it matters anywhere between 25 to 40%. But ये
Okay.
40% हो गया, बाकी 60% क्या है? बाकी
Mhm.
60% है your soft skills. How well you are able to sell your skills is something which is going to make the entire difference. And Vikram, let me share this. It's a known fact, at least in the areas that I work on, the
Okay.
markets that I move in, that India literally is a machine which is pushing out multiple lakhs of graduates every year. But there was a research done by Harvard which says that the graduates are many in India, but the employable graduates are only a handful. Just 2 to 3% of the entire set of graduates who come
Oh.
out of our colleges every year. 2 to 3%. And what is the
That's a
difference?
percentage. That's the
That's
actual
it.
percentage. Okay.
Yes, 97% of us are unemployable. What is the difference? क्या हम पढ़ाई नहीं कर रहे हैं? Indian brains are one of the best in the whole world. तो पढ़ाई तो हम करते हैं, हम सारे करते हैं, हमारी जेनेटिक है, हमारी डीएनए में है पढ़ना,
बिल्कुल।
हमारे को बचपन से सिखाया जाता है पढ़ना ही है.
हाँ.
बट हम मार कहाँ खा रहे हैं? Where is it that we are lacking? We are lacking in developing our personality. We are lacking in delivering that knowledge to the world. हमारे दिमाग में knowledge है, उसका कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. No one gives a damn. और किसी को कोई परवाह नहीं है आपके दिमाग में कितनी नॉलेज है. क्या आप उसको बेच पा रहे हो? क्या आप उसको बोल पा रहे हो? Are you able to convey what you have in your mind? And that's where the soft skills come in. That's the 60% or 70% that I'm talking about. Indian students are not aware that they have to work on, or if they're aware, that's the thing which is lacking, which I say proactive nahi hai. They're reactive. So they go for an interview, they don't crack that interview, they fail that interview, they don't get the job, and then they react कि हमने क्या मिस कर दिया. But how wonderful that would be अगर जॉब पे जाने से पहले आप उसके लिए प्रिपेयर होकर जाएं. How wonderful that would be that the interviewer is taking pleasure in interviewing you and is not going through a torture by interviewing you. So just work on your skills. Soft skills is something that you cannot shove under the rug. Everybody knows that it exists. Just that people are not taking action.
Yeah, that's a great point, I would say. Connected to this, I was thinking, how do these job hunters handle that failure? Probably when they go for an interview, they come back with no appointment letter after a few days. What are the things they probably? Is it that they are not able to put it forward, as you mentioned, that the kind of stuff they have within, they grab knowledge, but वो उसको किसी तरीके से बाहर नहीं रख पाते एक तरीके से? Is that the reason, and how should they handle that? You know, probably people get, मैं हार गया, I lost, I'm not going ahead. I mean, I got a lot of rejections and that's it. So what would you like to say about that?
Very interesting question. Thank you for asking that, in fact. So when I say that people are not proactive, they are reactive. Now this is the reactive space we are talking about. So they've gone for the interviews, they have not been able to crack it. But I want you to understand that the world is not over. So agreed, you were not ready for that interview. You were not able to crack that interview. Fair enough. And that is where the mental health comes in. So I am specializing in mental health as well as in job readiness. The reason is because they're so connected. Over 90% of my clients whom I'm coaching are from the age group of 18 to 25. So they are either about to enter the job market, they're getting ready, or they are in the job market and they're categorized as a fresher category of people. And when these people don't get through the interviews, now that's the space of introspection. आपको देखना पड़ेगा कि कमी कहाँ पर है. So there are multiple spaces where we might lack in. As I said earlier that there is one hard skill. तो अगर तो आपकी hard skill में आपको लग रहा है कि आप कमी रह गई है, that is your subject matter knowledge is missing or is not up to the mark, you need to brush it up. But the good news in this is that typically in an interview for a fresher category, the questions are not very detailed when it comes to subject matter because you're a fresher, no? Everybody knows that you're a fresher. आप apply job कर रहे हैं fresher के लिए, salary भी आप वही वाली लेने वाले हैं. तो I'm not, as an interviewer, I'm not going to ask you questions which are very much in depth or in detail. However, when it comes to selling those hard skills, now that is where majority of the people see that the gaps are in the reactive stage. So I want you to understand, पहले तो अपना mindset को positive करो because there is always an opportunity. This is something that I say not just as a motivational speaker. I'm not one. I'm just saying it from the space of someone who's headed the placement cell, and the colleges, at least one of the college that I worked for was where I set the placement cell. That college had established 2 years back only. So I set the placement cell and I had all these challenges of bringing recruiters to my college. But in the end, I was able to do it. The key word was persistence. Lage raho. You just need to keep on taking action. You know, Vikram, I'll share something very interesting with you.
Please.
People often ask me कि ये motivation कहाँ से आए? ये जो परसिस्टेंस है, लगे रहो, नेवर गिव अप,
हाँ.
डोंट गिव अप इफ यू आर फेलिंग, ये कहाँ से मोटिवेशन आए? इसका आंसर बहुत सिंपल है अगर समझा जाए तो, या लेट मी पुट इट दिस वे कि लोग गलती कहाँ कर रहे हैं. People are waiting for motivation to come to them, whereas they have to go to the motivation. How do they go? That path is very clear. Start taking actions. So many times, so many clients of mine, I have told them after understanding और हमारे sessions होने के बाद, I've told them कि you are procrastinating. आप एक ऐसे स्पेस में चले गए हो जहाँ पे आप सिर्फ सीखते जा रहे हो, कर नहीं रहे हो, या प्लान करते जा रहे हो, उसको एग्जीक्यूट नहीं कर रहे हो. एंड दिस इज वेयर मोटिवेशन इज मिसिंग. जब तक आप करोगे नहीं, आपको पता कैसे चलेगा हाउ गुड यू आर और वेयर यू आर लैकिंग. सो पीपल हु आर नॉट एबल टू हिट द बुल्स आई, you should not give up. There is always hope, there is always space. मार्केट में हमेशा जॉब रहेगा until बिल्कुल इकोनॉमी क्रैश कर जाए, खत्म हो जाए सब कुछ, वो एक अलग बात है. बट इंडिया जैसी इकोनॉमी क्रैश नहीं करने वाली है. In 2008 when the entire world was going through recession, इंडिया में रिसेशन 2010 में आया था, 2 साल बाद उसके. we have a very strong economy. Otherwise अगर देखा जाए, remove the frills, तो हमारी इकोनॉमी बेसिकली स्ट्रांग है. हमारे पास जॉब्स हैं, हमारे पास सिर्फ तैयारी नहीं है उन जॉब्स के लिए. जो इंटरव्यूअर्स हैं, दे कीप ऑन वेटिंग फॉर दैट राइट कैंडिडेट टू आंसर दैट वन राइट क्वेश्चन. द मोमेंट यू डू दैट, you got the job. This is where workshops that I am conducting, these are certificate courses. So it's not just me, there are other people also doing it. Guys, just go and take professional help. Don't keep on waiting for the help to come to you. You have to go. Just go. I mean, you want help from me, just drop me a message on 9711182217. Take this number, drop me a message, someone from my team will come back to you. I conduct one certificate course every month on these special skills. I would be glad to have you on board and give you that training. So just take action, guys. Just don't keep on thinking. ये इंटरव्यू देखा, सो गए और उसके बाद सो गए, ये मत करना. Yes, Vikram.
It's good to talk, basically.
Yes. In fact, I had a tagline up until 2 months back. The tagline said that it's always good to talk. Do you know that? It's just coincidence. So that tagline said it's always good to talk.
Wonderful.
So बात करो.
बिल्कुल सही बात. That's very true. And ये तो बात बहुत ही important करी है आपने कि हाँ, I think it's a good news for all the people out there who have kind of a negative thinking process right now. हो जाता है, and it's very common with people these days during the lockdown and after the lockdown, after the kind of experiences they have seen कि हाँ job नहीं है market में. That's what a lot of people say. But that's a very great point you've put, that yes, there are jobs. Jobs are never going to finish. It's just that how you take it forward. Don't just start planning and start putting it on paper. Start executing it. That's something which I totally agree on. ये तो बात हुई when the person is looking for a job. What about when the person does get a job? How does a person, how is he or she supposed to be, get prepared when the person gets a job? Probably that person is nervous about how to join that place, or how is the place going to be. There are a lot of questions in the mind of a job seeker. So how would you put that? You can throw some light.
So first day at job is always an amazing day. You will never forget. So of course it will have a lot of HR activities and all that, but apart from that, that feeling of starting a new job in a new place comes with a lot of happiness as well as a lot of anxieties. So over here I'll give you a very nutshell. You've gotten into the job, that simply just you need to tell again mindset. You need to tell yourself that you deserve to be in the place. So first thing is you come on merit. So you are meritorious. आप में कुछ देखा गया है, तभी आपको लाया गया है एक ऐसे जगह पे जहाँ पे they'll pay you to work. So you need to tell yourself in your mind that I deserve to be here. The second very important key step that every new entrant needs to keep in mind is
Okay.
You need to understand the lay of the land. मतलब हर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का अपना एक कल्चर है,
Yeah.
अपना काम करने का एक तरीका है, कम्युनिकेशन करने का तरीका है. देयर आर सो I've been working for over 20 years, Vikram. Before I started my own entrepreneurial journey, I have been working
Wow.
for 20 years in various organizations, and I've seen किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में द ईमेल कल्चर इज वेरी हाई, सो दे वांट एवरीवन टू टॉक वाया ईमेल्स.
Yeah.
Even if you go as a in an offline meeting अपने बॉस के साथ या टीम मेंबर्स के साथ, they'll say okay, first put everything on an email, और after the meeting put everything on an email. So
Yeah.
email culture बड़ा हाई है. कुछ
Minutes
ऑर्गेनाइजेशन
of the meeting, as we say. Minutes
yeah,
of the
minutes of the
meeting.
meeting, yes. And कुछ ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस में कल्चर है कि यार फोन करके बात कर लो ना मुझसे, क्यों ईमेल
Yeah.
ईमेल खेल रहे हो, जस्ट पिक अप द
Hmm.
फोन एंड कॉल मी. You just need
Yeah.
to understand. For that matter, this is communication aspect. Then there is a dress up culture. So आपकी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में क्या फ्लैशी ड्रेसअप चलता है, क्या सोबर ड्रेसअप चलता है. आई हैव वर्कड इन एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जहाँ पे सिर्फ 3 कलर चलते थे, ब्लैक, व्हाइट एंड ग्रे. सो 3 रंगों में ही कपड़े होने चाहिए थे सबके. सो इफ आई वर टू वेयर दिस काइंड ऑफ अ शर्ट, मैं अलग से चमक रहा हूँ उस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में. सो एवरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इज फनी इन इट्स ओन वे. इट्स लाइक अ फैमिली. हर
Yeah.
फैमिली में एक अपना कल्चर होता है, बात करने का, कपड़े पहनने का, खाना खाने का, क्या खा सकते हो, क्या नहीं खा सकते हो, कौन से फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट होते हैं, कौन कितनी बार मंदिर जाता है, पूजा करता है. हर फैमिली का अपना एक कल्चर है. इसी तरह हर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का अपना एक कल्चर है. द सूनर यू लर्न दैट कल्चर, the
Yeah.
more comfortable you will fit in, the sooner you will fit in into the organization. So day one, start learning, observing the culture, start talking to people. You will understand कि क्या चलता है, क्या नहीं चलता है, किस तरह से चलता है. The learning curve will take about a week, 2 weeks, depending upon how quick a learner you are. But 2 हफ्ते में, if you are observing, if you are working on it, you will start fitting in into an organization. तो क्या आपके वहाँ पे सोशल मीडिया पे, मोबाइल पे लोग जब करते हैं, तो इज इट एक्सेप्टेबल, इज इट नॉट एक्सेप्टेबल, इज इट फ्राउंड अपॉन, क्या चलता है. सो you will have to get into an organization to and observe, to learn this, all these things. The moment you learn it, you are a part of the organization. You are no longer an outsider. So आप फैमिली का पार्ट बन जाओगे, and that's where your comfort zone begins.
Wonderful. So that's a great point. I think there's something, while I have been into business and I have done a few jobs as well in my own career. But yes, these are things which puts me in a flashback as to how my first day was and how I was a little bit nervous. And I think these are great points for someone who is entering very like recently into a new job, and how to be job ready is what I now understand. So I think there are a lot of more things which probably you are also guiding your young guys who are actually coming to you and consulting you about. So in the end, I would like to ask you, how can people contact you first of all, and also what is the message you would like to give the Listan audience? What is it that you would like to tell everybody who are watching our show right now?
So I'll give a couple of messages. First is
Okay.
never say die. It's something that you have to keep in your mind, that it isn't the end until it's the end. And the
Okay.
second is that you need to operate from the space of taking action. प्लानिंग हो गई, जितनी होनी थी आपने कर सकते थे, जितनी आप वो कर चुके हो. द रीजन यू आर नॉट सीइंग सक्सेस इज बिकॉज यू आर नॉट टेकिंग एक्शन. So take
Yeah.
action. And when I say action, whatever is required, you need training, take training. You need to learn social media marketing, learn social media marketing. Do you know how to use LinkedIn for your job purposes? If not, then learn that. So ये सारे actions will take you to success. And remember guys, once you take action, success just becomes a matter of time. आज नहीं तो कल आ ही जाएगी. And regarding how you can contact me, so I've shared my number 9711182217. Just drop
Okay.
a message on this number that you want to get in touch with me with regard to my certificate program or any mental health coaching that you require, and someone from my team will get in touch with you. So we can take it forward from there.
Wonderful. I think please do get in touch with sir. I think he can guide you on a very the right path of your career development and your career and everything. And so, thank you so much again for taking your time out of the busy schedule you have to come on this show. We had a great chat with you, and we look forward to more chats very soon on different topics as well. So, thank you so much for coming on the show, and all the best.
Thank you, Vikram, for having me over here. And I hope that this conversation of ours helps people to move ahead in their lives, especially in these times.
Very true. Yes, sir.
And I
I'm
do
sure
look
it will.
forward to coming again on your platform and speaking to more of the viewers that you have.
Likewise, likewise. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Take care. Bye
Thank
bye.
you. Take care. Bye bye. So that was a great session with Dr. Pushkalamba, and we really learned a lot of things, and we hope that you will learn too. It's very easy to contact Mr. Dr. Pushlamba, and we hope that you go ahead and talk to him regarding any questions you have. And along with a lot of certificate programs he's been offering, so do contact him, guys. And I hope this conversation takes us to another different game altogether, and we stop thinking too much and go into depression, so-called depression, because of work problems, job issues. These are things which can be solved. Let's start talking, let's start sharing, and that's how we can come to a solution. So thank you so much for watching the Chat Trap Show with Vikram Singh Rawal. This is the Listan. Vikram Singh Rawal is signing off. Thank you so much. We're going to meet you very soon next week with another great guest. Thank you.